Hey guys, I'm back today with another one. Yes, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be from the company ISEE Beauty from Aliexpress. Of course, guys, before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. It is free. Also, turn those notifications on because you don't want to miss out on any of my videos. Just showcasing some of the items that came in the package. The unit that I will be showing you guys today is their Mongolian water wave lace front wig. This one is in the inches 18, and then this is 180% in density. With this unit, you do get your soft lace. You get your 2 combs on the side, you get a comb in the middle, and then a comb in the back, and your adjustable strap. Now this one is only a 13x4 lace front wig, so the parting space is not going to be deep on this. And then this is what the curls look like. They feel very, very soft, y'all. It really didn't have a strong smell to it, so I was happy about that. And it looks pretty full, but we are going to see after I wash this unit. Also does come with a slightly pre-plucked hairline, and you also get some baby hairs in the front. However, this unit did not come bleached, so I am going to have to go in and customize and bleach it. However, the knots on this unit are not big at all. Went ahead and washed my unit off of camera, and I did bleach the knots. I washed this unit using my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner, and then I bleached the knots using 30 volume developer. And I did go ahead and spray a little bit of tint spray in the front area at the front of the lace, so I didn't have to really focus on putting powder. The lace was coming off just a slight bit like a light brownish grayish, and I wanted it to match up a little bit better to my complexion. I also did pluck out a little bit of hairs in the front area, but I did not go too hard because the front of the hairline looked okay. Now I am going to have to go in on the side and cut off some of that excess lace by my ear because it was overlapping on my ear, and then I will work on cutting off the rest of the lace. Also with this unit, this is an average cap size. It did fit me pretty okay. I didn't feel like it was too big on my head to where I was gonna have to go in with an elastic band or anything. So that is what it is looking like now that I cut off the lace by the ear, and then I'm just gonna work on cutting off this lace. Cutting off this lace, I did kind of have to go in and kind of zigzag it a little bit. It might look a little bit crazy, but once I melt it in, it is going to look perfectly okay, especially because I did go in and pluck out a little bit of hairs in the front because I wanted it to look a little bit more natural to my hairline. So that is what it is looking like so far. I did not go in and do any excess, you know, plucking out of the hairs to where it was going to be too much, just a little bit. Now for today, I am going to be using my olive oil whole spray. I did not want to go in with my bed head because you guys know we are on quarantine. There's not really anywhere for me to go to wear this unit unless I'm like going to the grocery store, but at this point that's not really happening. So I just want to showcase this for you guys. You guys can see exactly how I am putting it on. I do want to also talk about the bleach knots while I am, you know, blow drying this unit. Bleaching the knots on this was very easy because the knots are not big at all, so I had no issues with the knots turning on this particular wig. So I'm just speeding up the process by taking the blow dryer. I focused on the front of the hairline first, and then I'm going to go on the side and spray some underneath so that I can get that to completely lay down. Of course, all of the products that I am using can be found down below in the description area. So if you don't find anything then you see that I'm using, you can ask me what it is. I do not bite. I will make sure to answer back for you guys. So after I am done blow drying this unit, I'm going to go around the hairline area and at the top of the unit with my wax stick, and then I am going to take a rat tail comb and just kind of comb it in because sometimes, depending on what spray I use, if I don't comb it in, then it will look white and kind of flaky on my end. So I'm just making sure to press all that in before I use my pressing comb. And then I'm just going to go in and press that in. Now this is not one of those units that it starts at the root, where it's wavy at the root and goes to the end, so I'm okay with pressing it out. I'm also going to have to take just a little bit of hairs and kind of swoop over some hairs on the side, because I noticed a little bit of leftover lace that I could have cut off, and I want to kind of camouflage that, but I'm not going to do that anywhere else on the unit, just on that one side. And then I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette and go around the hairline, and also put this into the parting space just to make sure that everything is blended in well and kind of matching up to my skin. And now I'm going to go in with my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and I'm going to begin to fluff up the hair. This hair, guys, was so soft. I really did like the hair on this unit. I really didn't get any shedding, and I barely got any tangles. It was very easy for me to run my fingers through when it came to this hair. To define the curls or the waves on this unit was use my She Is Bomb Fuse Foam, and I just molded everything together and then kind of picked it apart using the Garnier Fructis serum. So guys, this is the final outcome of this unit. I really do love the waves on this unit. I only noticed a little bit of frizziness with this unit, and I also did not get a lot of shorter hairs at the top, which I was very happy about. This one seems really full. Is it 180%? I feel like it was more between 150 to 180, but I love the density on it because I feel like it is wearable, and this length on this one is also an everyday wearable length where you don't feel like it's just doing too much. Now this one that I have, once again, is in the length 18 inches. However, you can go all the way up to 26 inches, and this one does start at 8 inches. And then the densities on this one is 130, 150, and then the 180% that I have. Parting space on this is not long at all, so you are going to have to kind of play around with it to get it to your liking. But the parting space is good once you do bleach the knots. As far as the hairline goes and the lace, I do feel like the lace was coming off just a tad bit light, so I did have to go in with a little bit of a darker powder to kind of get it to blend in a little bit, even once I put my tint spray on. So guys, let me know what you think about this unit. Like I said, I love the waves on this unit. The hair was very soft. It was very easy for me to work with. If you guys are interested in this, I'll make sure to leave all the links down below. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.